Sure you like the video. Oh, that one look real nice. Show them. Flip it. Look at that one. Bubble. Make a bubble with slime. Oh, yo. What?
Take it off the paper.
Put that on your thing.
Ew.
Yo, YouTube, what's going on? Long time no see. So today I have my niece and she wanted to make slime. Okay. So we're making slime today. Kids love slime.
Hi,
Something about slime. They're just messy.
It's not that messy. So we got some glue here, some pinkish, like metallic glue. Well, I don't know. And we got some blue glue right here. Some shaving cream.
So it can be fluffy, she said.
Now I'm gonna put this blue glue in first.
So you ain't gotta put this in first?
No, that's the activator.
Okay, see I don't know how to make this, so she knows, so she gonna be the director in this video.
No, I just need it to open it.
Dang, no, this is pretty hard. Hold on. I have to call about it.
This is my first time doing a video, you guys.
And she wanted to be in a video so bad.
So bad.
So you gonna dump everything in there?
Yeah.
She's gonna dump the whole bottle in there, guys, okay? Yeah. I can tell it's about to be a mess. Lord.
It's hard to get out, you guys.
Yeah. That's about it.
No, it's more.
That knife can fit through that?
Yeah, I'm not gonna use it. Can I just put it right here?
No, it's gonna fall through, it's too big. Let me get a napkin.
Well, guys,
so that should be it of that one.
Okay. So I'm gonna use a metallic one. Oh, and make sure you subscribe and comment down below.
Sure you like the video. Oh, that one look real nice. Show them. Flip it. Look at that one. That one nice. I chose that one.
I like it. I chose both of them, not you. And if you want these glues, you gotta go to Walmart.
Wally World.
Yeah, that's what they call them back in the old days, Wally World.
Back in the old days?
Yeah.
Wally World.
That's what it said.
So what do you do after this?
You gotta mix it up and see.
So what does this do?
Make the slime.
Oh, so this actually make the slime.
Yeah.
I guess that's the color of it?
Yes.
Oh.
He don't know. Even grown-ups know how to make slime.
Shoot. Tell me a grown-up that know how to make some slime. And I give you $100.
Yeah.
Who know how to make slime? Too late.
No.
$0.
No, it's not.
What?
My auntie know how to make slime.
It took you forever to say that. You just making up some relatives.
No. Well, no, my auntie do know how to make slime. She's 13.
She's 13? But she's a kid, she's not a grown-up. 13
Nuh-uh, she my auntie though.
But that's not a grown-up.
Yes, she is. She's finna be 14.
Ah, she's a teen. That's not an adult. What adult you know?
RJ.
Adult. RJ, how old are you?
17.
Well, he about to be an adult. That's what you call pre-adult.
Boy, if you don't...
You just get this.
I'll do this. So.
Try to open it or something. Like
Oh, there you go.
No! Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? No! No!
Anybody gonna touch you, girl? Everybody go.
This is my first time doing a video.
How do you feel?
Well, excited.
Excited.
What? You might see me again on another video, you guys.
Yep. Oh.
To the lawn.
nasty.
Oh, that's enough. That's enough. Oops. Just take this. Ooh. This knife is stuck on here.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Huh.
Okay, here. Now I'm gonna mix it up. Whoa, it's already look like slime. Whoa.
Y'all let the camera see it.
Well, this is so nice. Go get your roommate.
Call his name Chris.
Chris! That's his name?
Yep.
It's like a purplish.
Look at that. That's crazy.
Well, it looks
Bring it up closer to the camera. Tilt it over. There you go. What? See, I thought you just get like Elmer's glue and like do something with it. I didn't know you. It like types of glue that actually makes slime. See, I didn't know. I thought it was regular glue.
No. Gotta add some shaving cream. Hold this.
Yeah, like that.
Hold this with that.
So what does this shaving cream do? You got, oh no, Lord. Oh, you gotta take the top off. Oh.
Ah!
Okay.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Oh Lord, look at that.
I hope I didn't add too much.
I think you put too much in there, guys. Maybe, we'll see.
We'll see.
You think it's gonna turn out right?
Yeah, some of these people.
You want your Why you did that anyway? Ain't nothing on that. Whip it up, girl. Whip it up, whip it up, whip it up, whip it up, whip it up. Keep going. It'll work out.
Well, guys, it done turned to like shaving cream. Look at it. Like, wait, no. It's like a purplish tilt color.
How did it
add
tilt?
one more.
Add more?
Yeah. Gotta add some more. To make it lighter. And then when we done, we still can add some more to the slime.
So after we done put this, we can add more shaving cream?
Yeah. Hold this.
Oh, they rinse it off. Wipe it off first. Thank you.
Well, hold it now. Now, we gotta add the activator.
The activator, guys. This is what actually going to make the slime, correct? Am I right or am I wrong?
You're right.
I know I'm right. It's like a clear.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
Oh, so you just add a little bit?
Yeah. And then we mix it up with our hands. See?
Ah, look at that. Watch out, you move your hands so they can see.
Well, now I'm going to go in for my hands.
Yeah.
No, I'm supposed to be doing it.
Go ahead then, Stanka.
Here.
Man, this is crazy. Kids are addicted to this stuff. It is a big old mess.
Add some more activator, please. I'm going to tell you when to stop. No!
Oh.
Come on, keep adding.
That's probably good. Man.
Y'all look at it.
A disaster.
Look at my hands though.
How does it feel?
It feels weird.
Let me
Like,
feel it a little bit. Man, what is this?
go get your root.
I thought it would come off your hand. This is
No, you're supposed to wait. You're supposed to mix it up first. See how it's doing it? And then I'm gonna have to put it on the table when it turns to slime.
Look at there. Comment down below if you made slime before and tell me how it turned out.
And make sure you give this to 100,000 likes.
Let's make it 1 million. Should we ask for 1 million?
Well, make sure I get to 1 million likes. See?
Look at that.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh yeah, tell me why this girl earlier go want a pint of ice cream and not finish it.
No, you did that too.
She said, I said, you gonna eat it? Yeah, I'm gonna eat it. Yeah. Then she ain't put a dent up in it. Lord. You getting a sample next time.
Yeah, I told you to give me a small and not no big one. So that's your fault.
No. You said you want the big ones, thank you.
I said I changed my mind. Can I put it on the table now?
Okay.
What if it's stuck to your table?
It's staying in my table. I thought about I thought I was not make no thing.
Really?
Look at this. It's not ready.
Yes, it is.
Ooh. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now it's getting better. Whoa.
If you like this slime, make sure you comment down below into the video. I'm just gonna give y'all a little routine, how I play with the slime.
A little routine. You gotta massage it very well and calmly so you can get the activation to settle in deeply. Yep.
See, it's already good some slime, but I'm gonna, guys, make sure you comment down below if you like adding a whole bunch of activator to y'all slime.
Put that on your thing.
Ew. You're nasty.
Nasty.
He put shaving cream on it. Ew, that's disgusting.
Don't taste it.
It got in my mouth.
Ew. My bad. I'm sorry. No. That's a paper towel. Look at you.
That's not.
Ah!
It's slime. Slime.
Look at that.
No, go wash your hands.
Why I mess it up?
Yeah.
Well, there.
Well, guys, we'll be right back when we go wash our hands, okay? Move that out the way. I'm going to make a bubble. The biggest bubble in the world. In the history.
Make a bubble. Make a bubble with slime. Oh, yo. What?
Take it off the paper towel.
What? That's crazy. Do that again.
When not no paper towels around.
Oh, your kids come up with something, huh? That's crazy, though. That looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it is cool. But guys, I'm gonna add some more shaving cream. You don't know how much I'm gonna add. We just bought all this stuff because he don't shave.
I don't have nothing to shave. I have no beard at all. I'm a baby face.
Can't shave your legs.
No, I'm sure my legs.
Comment down below if your mom or your dad shave. Ooh, I'm ruining my slime.
I thought you were gonna make another bubble.
I was just adding. I'm just making it better and beautiful. And beautiful. It's not making me cry.
Say yes if you're with me. Why you don't leave it down so the bubble will stay there? You keep folding the bubble up.
I'm gonna do it if you just wait patient and get your hand off the table. I'm gonna do it.
Why do you need my hand off the table for?
Because you're gonna be touching.
Anybody gonna touch it? I'm done touching. What else can you do with slime?
Make a swirl. You wanna see it?
Yeah. She's
This
gonna
one.
make a swirl, guys.
You know what a swirl looks like?
It's like, no. That thing look like, icing.
Now, to finish the top is gonna be a little ice cream. Some toppings. Now let's destroy it.
Destroy it now.
Destroy it. It's my planet now.
Why you gonna touch me? Look at you. Oh, is this?
Well, I didn't mess it up, guys. Well, no, I didn't.
She put too much whipped cream.
It's not whipped cream.
I mean, shaving cream.
But at least it's still slime. Guys, if you comment down below, have you ever made a slime video and you put too much shaving cream in, or you did video with family and then they destroy your slime by putting ketchup in it.
Ketchup in it.
And like it's like dye. Like,
so they ruin a slime with ketchup.
Yeah, and because they have a blindfold on. The other person got a blindfold on, and the other one don't.
Well, let me get my ketchup.
If you put ketchup in the slime, no, I'm gonna put ketchup on you.